To make this effect on paper, you need 3 simple things. A bowl of water, clear nail polish, and paper. It shows up best on black paper, but I am going to try it on different colors as well, just to see how it looks. Okay, all you have to do is drop There we go. I'm gonna put one there too. There. You can't really see it. Well, maybe you can a little bit. I'm gonna do it on black paper first. This is a thinner piece of paper. Ooh, I see color on that one. That's pretty. Okay, lay that down to dry. Ooh. That one's gonna dry nice. I think that when I get back to school, I do a bug project with the kids where the kids have to design a bug. Last year we did it with foil. Maybe this year I'll do it with oil spill paper. You know, you get those beetles with that kind of sheen on them, or wings. That'd be cool. Oh, there's dots of color on there. Turns out different for every piece you do. You just gotta keep on going. It doesn't take long, although you want to do it in a nicely ventilated area. I'm doing it in my little studio with the door closed and the window closed. Probably better to do it in the spring. You can take the kids outside when you don't stink up the classroom. I don't think that's going to dry very well. I don't see any color in that one. It's so strange. Maybe because I double dipped. Shame on me. See, usually I see it. Like on this one too, I didn't see the color come out. Actually, I can see just a smidgen of rainbow color when I drop it in. Let's try that again. Oh, I see it on that one. Oh, there's gold there. I'm gonna let that dry. Oh, I see some pinks and greens here. So pretty. The thing is with the kids is they'll just have fun. We actually have an outdoor classroom area. We could take bowls of water out there and loads of paper, and they can just have at her and do it on a day that's not windy, so that they don't blow away on you. But not the kids, the paper, and just have fun. Look at this. Can't wait. wait till they're all dry. Here's the paper. It turned out really, really well. Unfortunately, my phone doesn't pick up the color the way it really actually looks. The intensity is incredible, and there's just a nice glitter to it. Give it a try. I hope you do. I'd love to see your results.